video, I will show you how to add graphics artwork on wrinkled t-shirts in quick and easy steps. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, which will help us to make more and more video tutorials for you. So let's get started with the video tutorial. First, let's get the artwork we need to add on the t-shirt. We can create a new layer and add the artwork here. We can place the artwork anywhere on the t-shirt. Next, with the artwork layer selected, we need layer blending option here. Next, in this layer blending window, we can adjust this point in underlying layer slider to give this nice graphic art effect that's merged with the folds and wrinkled t-shirt. If the color of the art turns lighter, we can edit it by adding bright color to it if necessary. And once satisfied with the look, we can save the t-shirt image. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates. Thank you.